Good morning, boys and girls. I am so excited that we are going to get to show off our Ancient History Awards. Boop, 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 boop. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, we've learned a lot this year, boys and girls, but we could have learned a lot more. So, this is your opportunity to investigate a little further or show off what you've already learned. So, you're going to be over the next few classes today, Wednesday, and even next Monday, we're going to choose 5 topics from the list provided on the best and worst people, places, things, or even ideas that the ancient times had to offer. So we are going to be adding on to this Google slide presentation. I've already done an example here, and you could go ahead and when you want to pick a new slide, you could either use this one. This one's a good slide to use, or this one is good because you can put the image on the right or the left, doesn't matter, and type the information on either side. You're probably wondering what you need to type, so let's go over that. So for each slide, please include a category of best or worst from the list. Let me show you this list. You click this pink link right here. It will take you to a document that looks awesome right here. Here we go. Ancient World History Awards, the good, the bad, the ugly. You're going to be able to do 5 if you want to do more because you're just like so into this. That is cool with me. So here I've broken it down into 4 categories. People, places, things, events, and ideas. So I think that today that we should probably start with our favorite or the best civilization to live in, or maybe the worst civilization to live in. So you could decide which one it would be. These are the 6 that we got to cover. We are going to do a little bit of ancient Rome in the next coming classes, but let's just stick to the ones that we have learned already. As you can see, there's awesome different categories that you could choose from. Okay, maybe you're like, well, I don't remember learning that. Don't worry, you could actually investigate and research it, and I'll show you how in just a minute. I really like the best Greek god or goddess, or the worst Greek god or goddess, maybe the best century, maybe the best invention. Boys might like best weapon, okay? Best food traded, best trade item. And how do you do this? Well, let's go back here and we'll show you. For each category, you're going to need details, okay? So 2 details. For example, this detail I've chosen best military general, my choice, and just notice how I've set it up. And then I have 2 details that I got from the online textbook or a Duckster's website. Okay, so we need details. You could use Duckster's and the online textbook. So if you use the online textbook, there's going to be a lot to choose from. So you would have to kind of just narrow your search. So check out, here's all the different societies that we have covered. So if you just click on one of these, maybe this will help you with your information. All right. You also need a picture or image of that person, place, or thing, or idea. Okay, so let me just show you the best way to search for this. So if we typed into our Google search engine, hopefully you have that. Let's do best military general. And please do make sure you have of ancient times or history. Either way. Okay, now check this out. They're going to have a list of them. This doesn't mean you have to automatically take the first or top one. Pick one that seems pretty interesting to you. Now, maybe I've chosen Julius Caesar because he is probably the best military general in history, and he was from ancient Rome that we're about to cover in a couple of days. Don't worry, we are going to cover a lot of Rome when we get back to school in 7th grade. We cover the rise of Rome in 6th, the fall of Rome in 7th. So I think Julius Caesar was a good one. So what I would do then is erase this, and then I could put Julius Caesar for kids. I would always add kids because the other information might be too difficult. Okay, that is how I was able to find it. Or you could even go to Duckster's and look for Julius Caesar in the Rome section. So if you go down to ancient Rome, you will go ahead and find Julius Caesar. Okay, and then you just find 2 details about your favorite, best or worst. Okay, so just make sure you always use ancient history or ancient times when you're searching. Also adding for kids. I can add that as well. All right, folks, good luck, have fun, and I want you to enjoy this assignment. Let's try to get 1 or 2 slides done today.